Please, Monday morning, want to know where your money is going? Well, we're in the green so far, not by much, but the Dow's up about 70, Nasdaq up about 18 points. Jeff Sica with me this morning, this Monday morning. Should investors trust? Well, no, we have had a market rebound. Should investors trust it? Have we already hit bottom, moving up from here?
I think that it's a little too soon to crack the champagne. I would keep the champagne on ice because, as you mentioned, we have four big companies. We have Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple reporting. These four companies could determine at least the short-term direction of the market because a lot of these companies have focus in China. A lot of them make, especially companies like Amazon, that make a lot of money out of China. And then there's also whether or not this big capital expenditure into AI is panning out. So it's not the numbers they deliver necessarily, it's what these companies say about the future. But I will say this. I will say there's been a lot of positive momentum in terms of it's no longer just focused on tariffs. It's now focused on trade deals. So I would say for investors, get ready because this market is about to lift off.
Oh, key words. This market is about to lift off.
Yes.
And you think that Microsoft, you're not saying this just because I own a thin sliver of it, but you think Microsoft is the best place to be at this moment among big tech, right?
Well, Stuart, I really do want to make you happy, but that is not the reason why I'm mentioning it. I think Microsoft has, I talked about Netflix. Netflix delivered. It's been great. I thought that was the best. I think Microsoft is the second best. And I think Microsoft, because of its focus on cloud computing and AI, through the acquisition of OpenAI, they've made upwards of $15 billion, about 170% gain. But here's the thing about Microsoft. They are focused on the business market. They don't have much of a focus on the commercial market or the consumer market. So business is a lot less subjected. So if you're worried about tariffs, Microsoft has very little exposure to tariffs. Great stock to own. The pullback has been a gift that people should buy as much of it as they can.
You know, I sold some last week.
Oh, no. Well, you should have called me.
Well, I got to get some cash for some real estate.
Yes,
Sorry, I didn't sell it all. I did not sell it all.
Put my number on speed dial.
Okay. Jeff, you're all right. Thanks for being here.